Create date-based automatic discounts for your Shopify POS.
You'll create the discounts in the Shopify admin. Click the Create Discount button on the main admin screen. Choose a product variant for this discount. You can select a single product or choose multiple items from your list. Once you have the product selected, begin entering the discount details. You can provide an optional discount name that will display in the cart and receipt. This is a good way to add branding to your sales. Then select the start date. The POS discount for this product will automatically begin on this date. You can also select the start time for the discount. Next, choose the end date and time for the discount. The POS discount will automatically end when this date and time are reached. Finally, enter the discount percentage that will be automatically applied to the product when it's added to the POS cart. You can use the increment and decrement buttons or directly enter your desired discount amount. Save the discount to activate it. You will automatically be returned to the main list. You may need to hit the refresh button if you don't see your discount immediately in the list. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for Shopify to apply the discount, so click this refresh button to reload the discounts. Now switch to your Shopify POS to start using the discounts. Search or scan for any participating product in your Shopify POS. Add this product to the Shopify cart. You'll see the discount is automatically applied to the item. Your custom sale name is also displayed. If the sale date is out of range, then no discount is applied. You can now automate your discounts and sales.